I have no idea how somebody knows their name Wentworth. What a great name. Sakina, she's such a bully. You see how she does bully the people? She's such a bully. By the way, we move on with another interview this morning. I'm joined by Kareem Downer, who is the managing director of Reliable Courier. Now, hear why Kareem is one of the greatest people in the entire world, because him and my son name. My son is Kareem, so I already know that him is a great man. Morning, my friend. And
Morning,
welcome to Smile Jamaica. Welcome specifically to Gateway Plaza. Tell me about Reliable Courier. How long you been in business?
All right, Reliable has been around 5, going 6 years now. We were a little silent in the beginning, but we have decided to make our presence known. So we joined the cross country, and we have been doing just that, going across the country. Reliable Courier provides internet shopping. Everybody will say online shopping.
Yep.
And courier service from abroad into Jamaica. And we provide this at very reasonable rates.
From abroad into Jamaica. You were very
Yes.
specific, so you don't go the other way.
No, we don't go out.
Okay, so you just come in.
In.
What about Jamaica to Jamaica? No?
Somewhat, but it's only for our customers who would have shipped stuff in with us. We will get it across the country to you wherever
Okay.
you are in Jamaica.
Okay, so if it comes in and it comes to Kingston, but I'm in Montego Bay, you would still send it down to
Yes,
to
we send
Montego
it down
Bay.
to you.
Anything?
Anything pretty much, as long as it's legal and you can afford to bring it in.
Anything would cover what? Give me an idea of this spectrum.
The most popular items tend to be clothing.
Okay.
So persons shop online a lot for clothing. Auto parts is also popular. Technology is also popular. You know, you want the big screen TV, but when you go down the road, you see it for $300,000. Chances are you can get that TV online, have it shipped in, land it for $150,000.
You said car parts.
Parts.
But not cars.
Not cars.
Not cars.
Well,
so if I were
yeah.
you bringing a car for me, you could do
I
that.
probably could talk to you off the air about that, but I wouldn't bring that through the courier
Yeah.
because we do air freight twice weekly, so you would not want to put a car on a plane.
Yeah. Yeah. The areas that you cover, because I know you have an office in Kingston. You're on Malines Road, aren't you?
Yes, we're at 17 Mullines Road. That's
Right.
the head office in Kingston.
Right. And what about the other areas that you cover?
We do have a drop-off point in Old Harbour. We have a full branch in Portmore as well, full service branch, meaning persons can go there, place their orders. We offer credit card services, so if you don't have a credit card, we will provide such service on your behalf. And recently, since the start of Cross Country, we established a Mapen branch as well.
Okay,
So
what do you
it's
mean?
Kingston, Portmore, Old Harbour, and now
what do you
Mapen.
mean by you if I don't have a credit card? You would pay for it and I just give you the cash. Is that what you mean?
That is correct.
Because
So-
some of these places you would need a credit card.
Yes, and some of them you need a US issued credit card
Right.
as well. So that service we also provide. Plus some people just don't want to put their credit card online because they say, listen, I don't
Yeah.
want a scammer go near my
But
thing.
how would you know that I'm capable to pay you the money if I don't
Well,
have
definitely
a credit card?
once you show us the item you want and we give you a quotation, you would have to make that payment up front.
Oh,
And
okay.
then we
So if
go
I'm-
to
if
shop
if
on your
Okay,
behalf.
so if it goes to the credit card. What about that time frame, timeline? Does it matter? What I buy would depend on how long it takes to get here, or you have a 2 day, 1 week, 2 weeks, what?
It doesn't necessarily depend on what you buy. It depends on where it's coming from
Okay.
and the type of shipping service that the seller uses. So, for example, you go into a wedding on Saturday.
Yeah.
You could come into our office on Tuesday, choose a pair of shoes on Amazon, overnight it. It gets to our warehouse in Florida on Wednesday. That item is in Jamaica on Friday. And on Saturday, you're picking up that shoe from us.
But if
you're
it came
gone on your
from the
wedding.
Far East or
Yeah,
something.
if it coming from around at the Far East, so
then
you
it
know you
would
get the
take a
very
lot longer.
cheap prices,
It
then
would-
it will take a longer time.
Longer time, what's the longest?
On
Week, 2
average,
weeks, 3
2 weeks to 3 weeks.
Okay. How's business been for you? You said you were a little silent before. Why were you silent? And what does silent mean in this case?
Silent in this case means we weren't advertising using mass media. We were just
Okay.
telling friends of friends. I was operating from my house. As you know, most business start there.
Right.
So I wasn't targeting the public in general. So for the first 2 years, that is how we've been. Then we stepped out and we decided that it's now time to go
Yep.
mass media.
What made
And
you want
hence our
to
presence
do
on-
this in the first place?
If I can remember correctly, when I was about 7, I found a wallet on the road going home, and I brought it home and I sold it to my brother.
You sold it.
Sold it
He's
to my
a
brother, and
crook,
then
Kareem.
I had a cap, and I sell him it too. Him owe me all of them money.
Kareem, you find somebody wallet and sell it. He's a crook. At 7
So
years
I
old.
realized that I had this thing for commerce.
Yeah.
So even though I studied engineering at school, I was still buying and selling online to pay my school fee part of the way and all of these things. So people always say, bring in this to me, bring in that for me. So I used to
Okay.
use other couriers. Then one day I get up and say, listen, I need to find a way to do this for myself.
Yeah.
And Reliable was born.
I hope you change your ways and you're not finding people things and selling them anymore.
I'm finding it online for them now.
Yeah, so you know it's not somebody's own.
Yes.
Obviously, you're not the only company in this business.
No, we're not.
Why should I deal with you?
Why should you come to Reliable Courier? You should sign up on reliablecourierjamaica.com right now while we are talking. And you should choose Reliable Courier Jamaica because our package fees starts as low as $500. I was thinking since we that Jamaican dollars. I was thinking since we that if I send in a package from Kingston to Mobi, it costs me $1,000 something. And we can take a package from abroad, bring it into Jamaica for $500. So that's one key point.
Say that again. You
Just
could bring something from abroad
for
me.
For you
For
into
500.
Jamaica, clear it through customs, bring it to our office for 500 Jamaican dollars.
How are you able to do that so cheaply?
We spread our costs as best as we can. We keep our back-end costs low, and we seek very innovative ways to ensure that we do not pass on all the charges to the customers.
So again, if I buy something in New York, you could get it to Jamaica for me and it will only cost me $500.
That is quite possible. Another reason you should definitely choose Reliable Courier Jamaica, that $500 package, among others, we will deliver it free in Kingston to you, so you don't have to leave your workplace and come to Mullines Road. And that is a challenge right now because persons have to be running around in their lunchtime trying to pick up packages, and the lunchtime isn't even enough for you to have lunch.
Yeah.
And another reason is that we close at 6. So when every business is out at 5, we allow you an extra hour to come by Mullines Road and pick up your office because we close at 6 and we open at 9.
You said only in Kingston, though.
Yes, that's in Kingston. We do deliveries.
So even though you have a branch out here,
persons go to the branch to pick up here.
so you wouldn't deliver out here?
We deliver it to the branch here, and persons pick up from the branch. So we don't do.
But it would cost me more. That wouldn't be free, though.
No, man, the price is the same. So that same $500 package in Kingston is the same $500 in Old Harbour.
Wow.
Yes, man.
I like it. When we can bring in. Whenever we can find nothing and sell it
A
like
phone
you.
case, a watch.
Phone case, a watch. For $500.
TV.
Fantastic. Tell me where your places are again.
So we're at 17 Mullines Road. That's the main branch. We're also in City Plaza. That's behind Ken's in Portmore. We're at 2 Darlington Drive, right in the square at Old Harbour, Snack and Go. And we're now at 8 Fernley Avenue. That's a new plaza in Maypen. The Avenue Elite Mall is the name of that plaza, recently built. And you can find us online, reliablecourierjamaica.com. We're on Instagram, Reliable Courier JA. We're on Facebook, Reliable Courier Jamaica. And you can call or WhatsApp us because you know persons communicate so much through WhatsApp now.
Yeah.
778-6332.
You're not in the north. You're not in Montego Bay?
We're not there yet, but as I said, persons sign up from across the country, and once those packages come in, we dispatch them using local courier network. So anywhere you are, you can log on to this very great service.
Fantastic. It seems like a really great service, and you're going against the big guys.
Yes, man, we're going up against. Hopefully, we'll be one of the big guys very soon.
It sounds like you are. Good to see you. And,
Thank you,
and thanks for being a part of our cross country.
Thank you for
Again,
having
he's
me.
a great man. My son name Kareem Downer is the managing director of Reliable Courier, and I say that deliberately. It's not couriers, it's courier.
Yeah.
All right, we take a break. Still a little more left on Smile. Stay with us, please, folks. Soon come.